Hello YouTube, I'm Aftab from DiGi, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make yourself sound more clear. And that's exactly what we are gonna do now. So, I haven't turned on the lights, I haven't set up the microphone, I haven't turned on the laptop. All these have to be set up. So, let's start.
Okay, so now we are here at the computer, and the topic is how to make how to make yourself sound professional. You know, you see the documentaries and commercials and reviews, the really big channels, they sound like robots. Not robots, like human, but but when you try to record your voice is not the same as theirs. You feel like your voice has been like a poor voice or really awkward when you hear your voice. But there is a way in which you can, make the voice really good, and you might be proud of yourself. Yeah. Okay, so let's get back to the work. First of all, I'm gonna talk about what you need. You need a microphone. I have a microphone right here. And if you do not have a microphone, then you can use a phone. And how phone? You can just go to your phone, go to voice memos or any recorder. For Android user, it's really easy. Go and download any audio recorder. When you record the voice, take that to the computer. And now about the computer part. You have to go to the browser. Okay, now that you're in your browser, go to Google and then search for Audacity. Do not worry, this software is free. I know you want me to do something magical, but that is not possible. You need this software. This is really lightweight, but it is really useful. Now click on download Audacity, and that's 2.2.2. 2.2.2. Yeah, it's 2.2.2. Yeah. After you download this, I'm on a Mac right now, so on a Mac you have Audacity 2, and for Windows user it's obviously available, so you can download this. It's free, I said that. And then okay, so now we have to open the Audacity. We have Audacity right here. Okay, so click OK and OK, and then if you have inputted your microphone, then you have inputted. Okay, and if you haven't, then you haven't. But okay, then click on this red icon. This records your audio. So I'm gonna say something like, hello guys, how are you? Now this sounds like, hello guys, how are you? Yeah, now we're gonna change this. Double click. Okay, if you have any noise, I do not have, but you can do like this. See, you will select the area in which you haven't talked, that has the noise. Then go to effect, there would be noise detection, and click on get noise profile, then select all and go, and then click on repeat noise reduction, and that will be gone. But for me, I do not have so much noise, so I do not care about that. Now you can select this all, go to effect, go to equalization, and in equalization select bass boost. Okay, now go again, go to equalization and select treble boost and select OK. And then you can go to bass and treble and increase the bass a little bit and the treble like 5.5, and click apply. And let's hear this again. Hello guys, how are you? Yeah, so that's much better. So guys, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, then make sure to follow. It is Aftab_Afridi. Yeah, and if you want me to make more videos like this, then give this video a thumbs up. I said that. And if you want this to be happening really, then comment. And if you don't, and if you are a new viewer, you're not my subscriber, then make sure to subscribe, because this is really helpful for us. If I helped you, you must help us. Yeah. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out. That was my a motto, or maybe a sentence that I say, and I'm really quick at this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out. And that's the, this time I'm gonna say this for real. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.